this is the latest from I Am Worldwide and I'm so excited to try it. Even kids can take this, okay? Take it during or after meals, okay? Because this is made with barley concentrate, not barley powder. This is also made in Australia. This is absolutely vegan. This is FDA approved. This is halal. And now I'm going to try it for the first time. You can take two gummies is equivalent to 1 sachet. Okay? So let's try it. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is sugar-free. It's sugar-free. It's so good. It's so good. Now, mommies, if your kids try this, make sure bantayan nyo, baka kainin nila ng kainin because sobrang sarap.
I want to try it.
This is made in
I
Australia.
want to try it.
It is now the yummiest, the easiest way to take barley. Huwag na po kayong magpahuli. Be healthy and take your barley gummy!